In front of me is TECNO Phantom V, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section. Then hit App Permissions, select any feature to manage and click on any app. For example, I want to manage my Gmail. Now apply one of those options to allow or deny camera access, in my case for this app. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first option, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Gmail just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. You can also select any feature, tap on one of your apps that you wish to manage, and then select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!